Hey, 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 this is your Sacred Scribe here. Cancer. This is going to be a video for Cancer, a message from Leanne from the trees. We're going to see what Leanne has to say. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below. I appreciate that, guys. And comment, let me know what you think. And if you're looking for a reading, all links are in the description box below. Okay, give me one moment while I connect. Hello. Is it Cancer? Yeah. Okay. What's your message? Attune to the modality that you wish. For it is your modality that will help you rise. As you rise, you will begin to transform your consciousness. Your perspective will change. Your excitement will grow. Your laughter will increase. Your focus will be divine. Look within for this modality if you do not know or do not think you know what it is. For it exists within you. Search for it. Do not get discouraged in the search, for it is present. Reach for it. And it will come to you. Believe in it, for it is within this belief that will attract it to you. Share your thoughts, share your aspirations, speak them loudly. It is your voice that must be heard. Is that it? Okay. All right, Cancer. I hope that helped. I hope that resonated. Please drop a like below. Share and subscribe if you already haven't. If you're interested in a private reading, info's down in the description box below. And my other page, your Sacred Scribe Tarot on YouTube, has daily readings for all of the signs, daily tarot card readings if you're interested. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay connected with your heart and with love. Namaste.